Hi everyone, I'm Dade. I'm the VP of Innovation for Shutterstock. We're excited here at SIGGRAPH, showing off some of the new technology that we've just launched yesterday. It's happening here right behind me. There's a demo happening it's a 3D model generator. It's part of our partnership with Nvidia, where we've actually created a 3D model generator for using generative AI. It's been a really fun partnership with Nvidia. We started about a year ago, and since then we've been developing the model, sort of continuing to develop the tools. These are 3D tools to help hyper-enable 3D artists. So what you're seeing here behind us is it's actually our 3D model generator inside of Blender. So we've wrote a plugin that basically accesses our API, and inside of Blender you can generate 3D models from prompts. You can also generate from images, so you can use an image as a reference and generate a 3D model from it. So everything that you see here in this scene, the 3D models inside of that scene, are actually generated by our 3D model generator. What's also interesting is in the background, you can't really see it. We want them to almost scan down a little bit, but I didn't want to get in the way. Is an actual HDRI generator. So the sky dome that's actually illuminating the 3D scene is also generated using our technology. So very, very cool technology, working in pretty much any DCC or any pipeline or any platform that you might think of, because it's accessed through our API. So a very, very simple API to integrate as you need in your own pipelines. Something we're really excited about as well is we've partnered with HP. They've got an amazing 3D printing technology to print 3D objects in color. And really generative 3D is an entirely new way for them to be able to generate content that almost anyone can generate, right? You just get a prompt or you add an image and you generate a 3D model, and then you can print it in color. So these are some of the examples that they've printed for us. You'll see here, like even the gaming headset, the gaming keyboard, all those objects are generated and then actually used to customize gaming accessories. So that's a really fun way to use this 3D model generator. And it's great because we're sort of democratizing 3D. You don't have to be a 3D artist in order to be able to use 3D and to create 3D content. So it's a really exciting aspect of what we're here to offer. So here's another example of how our API can be used to generate 3D models. So we actually built an experience, our partner Trigger XR built an AR experience that basically you use the iPad to actually generate your 3D model. So you can generate whatever you like using a simple prompt. Once you generate that model, it actually builds that out in a little sort of sculpture garden that we built out in the AVP. And you can navigate and kind of see all the different sculptures that were basically generated by our 3D model. And again, it's just another way of showing how extensible this is, that you can basically implement it in any way that you want for whatever experience or pipeline that you're looking to enhance. So it's been a really great, exciting launch for us. We're really looking forward to seeing how people use it, and the reception so far at SIGGRAPH has been amazing.